Adobe Photoshop Online. Can I use Adobe Photoshop Online? On the web, you will certainly get numerous totally free Adobe Photoshop Online. If you have a requirement for basic picture editing, are afraid to install picture modifying software, and are afraid of breaking software, using free online Photoshop to edit photos free of charge is not a poor choice. Online Photoshop is an alternative to Adobe Photoshop. It is a web-based raster and also vector graphics editor utilized for photo editing, making images, website design, or converting in between various photo layouts. It is compatible with numerous internet browsers, including Opera, Side, Chrome, and also Firefox. Key features of Adobe Photoshop Online. All attributes are readily available in Photoshop. You can utilize this complimentary online Photoshop software program via an internet browser without download. It conserves your computer disk area. No demand for any kind of CPU system demands. All devices sustained it, such as Windows, Mac, iPad, also iPhone, and also Android running system. Editing and enhancing images from anywhere with any kind of internet browser. Easy to use and user-friendly user interface. About Adobe Photoshop Online certification. Adobe Photoshop Online course is the most effective means to find out how to make use of Photoshop. Edit images and also layout graphics, the means you visualize them. Adobe Photoshop download and practice pictures and Photoshop documents. At the start of this training course, you'll download a folder of images as well as task data so you can practice and also learn. The Method Photoshop CC course training course has been designed is made to educate you detailed how to properly make use of Adobe Photoshop. To put it simply, you will certainly find out everything you require knowledge to be able to function correctly with this software. Significance of Adobe Photoshop course in 2021. The Adobe Photoshop Online encompasses many advantages to its user which has actually already been gone over. Also, it enables the user to execute a vast range of things. Such features cannot be erudite by a specific or customer themselves. In order to discover every little thing concerning Photoshop, one requires enlisting him/her in appropriate Photoshop training. Adobe Photoshop training course is designed for media professionals that have little experience working with Photoshop. Advanced Photoshop individuals without any formal training will certainly also take advantage of this class as tips, techniques, keyboard faster ways, and important foundation skills are covered throughout this class. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for the Adobe Photoshop Online in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Adobe Photoshop CC preparation course. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for the best Adobe Photoshop training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/